We will continue from the lists, and we are going to see that how an individual element from the list is accessed and how we can use it in our different formulas. So today we are going to learn that list elements starts with 0. Means to say that how if we have some data in the list, we can start the index number or the serial number from 0. So right now we have some values in the list, and they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 values in our list course underscore marks, but the ID will start from 0. The first value has the index number 0. Analysis of algorithm has the index number 0. 80.5 has the index number 1. Basic programming has the index number 2, and so on. So the last value will have the index number 5, and with the help of this indexing, we are going to access these values individually if we don't want to print the whole list. So let's see how we can use this. Course underscore marks, we will use the square brackets, the subscript notation, and here we will write the index number. So when I write index, let me comment this line so we can easily view the results, and now run the code. So it is showing me the first element of this list, analysis of algorithm. Now if I write course underscore marks 4, so what it should give me? 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 data structures. See, it is giving me data structures. And if I write course underscore marks 5, it will give me the last value of the list, that is 90. And what if I write a wrong index number that is not that does not exist in the list, let's say 6, so it will let me know that it is out of range. So this is a very old message that comes from the compiler that the list index is out of range. So this is an error. So we can use from 0 to 5 for this particular list. And there is another way of using the index number, is that if we do not know that how many uh, members are in the list, then how can we access the last member of the list? Getting the last member data of the list. And for this, always comment your code. It's very easy when you will look back and revise it or use it for certain reason, so you will know what is happening. So for this we are going to use -1. So -1 will automatically return the last value of the code, of the list, last value of the list. So let's run the code, and we will see that it has given me -1. -1 means the last value of the list. -2 means the second last value of the list. So you can, if you don't know the numbers, you can keep on traversing like this from the tail of the list to the head of the list. Uh, so this is how we can manipulate list from the tail. Course underscore marks So it will give -1, -2, -3. If we want to get the data in a range, getting data in a range from the list. So for getting data in a range from the list means that like I want data from basic programming till uh, the data structures. If I want like this, so what I will do, course marks, and from here I need to see the start and the end index. Start index is 0, 1 and 2. Start index and the end till the end I need it, so I will put 6 because it will take start in it will include start automatically and it will exclude the end index number. So if I will write 5, what it will give me, it will just stop at data structures starting from 2 index, starting from 2 index till the data structures. Because I started at 5, it did not include 5. It did not include the data value at 5. So if I want to include data value 5, actually what is the logic? The logic is that the index starting index is included and ending index is excluded automatically. So that is why it is not showing me 90. But if I want to see 90, I will do it like this. 2 colon 6. Now it will show me the complete data that I want to see. So this is the rule that you need to remember all the time when you are subsetting the lists and you are using different methods. So now we can manipulate it in many other ways. For example, if I write like this, just 2 and I put colon and that's it. I don't give the index ending index number. So it will automatically show me the code till the end, starting from basic programming. Okay, so let's do another experiment on the same list, course underscore marks, start with colon and end with 3. So what it should present us with, till the index 3 in exclusive, it will show us the data like analysis of algorithm 80.5 and basic programming. See, analysis of algorithm 80.5 in basic programming. So this is how we are going to use it. And let's suppose we just do like this and put plain columns. So it will show everything. So it will show everything in the form of a list. You can do the practice exercises. If you feel any problem or if you feel any trouble, you can post a question and I will definitely get back to you.